Kwa ihinda ria mathaa 24, Ministry ya Ugima wa Mwiri ni thimite andu 978 kaunti ya Mombasa igitongoria umuthi na namba ya andu aria manyititwo ni murimu uyu ari andu 7.
Good afternoon.
Kuringana na mutafariri wa mihango Ministry ya Ugima wa Mwiri Rashid Aman ugite thirikari ni rathie na mbere na kugathika mitaratara mihaka-ini niguo gutigirira ni mahota kung'ethanira na utambia wa murimu uyu guku namba ya andu aria mari na COVID-19 bururi-ini ikirugamira 715 nayo namba ya andu aria mahonete ari 259.
Out of which 15 have tested positive for coronavirus. Of these 15, 14 are Kenyans and 1 is a Rwandese national. In terms of age, the range, the youngest one is 1 year and 8 months old, while the oldest is 62 years. 10 are males and 5 are females.
Ministry ya Ugima wa Mwiri ni yamukirite turebeko twa kuhumbira manioro na kanua hamwe na indo ingi cia kuhuthirwo ni arigitani kuma Ministry ni ya maundu ma nanja iria iguteithiriria hanene hari haro-ini ya COVID-19.
Foreign Affairs is donating today 300,000 pairs of protective gloves, 170,000 pairs of medical shoes that cover the shoes with which medical practitioners work with, 300 pieces of overall medical gowns, and 1,500 pairs of goggles to protect the eyes.
Kameme sharia ni ongereire kuga ati akinya ingi ni merigireirwo gucoka guku bururi-ini kuria kwa ihinda riri akinya 700 no macokete kuma mabururi-ini matiganite.
We have facilitated, as has already been explained, 700, and we do expect a few more to trickle in over the next few weeks as the time goes by, as we find means and ways of facilitating their return.
Ministry ya Ugima wa Mwiri ni yugite ni guthie na mbere na gutigirira ni mathaitira oho njera-ini kuona murimu uyu ni utonyete njera-ini kuria ni ugwati munene. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wanjiru wa Boro.